Imagine you're running a grocery store, and for every apple you sell, you have to buy three and throw away two. You're told this is part of the cost of doing business. It's always been that way, and it will always be that way. Wouldn't you want to find a better way? NRG has a similar problem. We produced over 60 million megawatt hours of electricity in 2012. To do this, we consumed almost 3 times that amount of energy in the form of purchased fuel. The reason? A 19th century Scottish engineer named William John Rankine. He realized he could boil water to produce steam, which in turn could be used to turn a shaft to produce mechanical power. When the electric generator came along, it became possible to rotate the shaft to produce electricity. This was an incredible technological advancement, one that benefited all of mankind. But there are two problems with Mr. Rankine's invention. First, not all the energy can be turned into steam. In fact, almost a third is lost up the chimney as hot gas. And second, after the steam is used to turn the shaft, it has to be turned back into water so it can be used again to produce electricity. The water that results is hot, and that heat is either dumped into lakes and rivers or gets cooled in a tower before being rejected into the atmosphere. The idea of recovering some of this lost energy has been talked about since the 1970s, when rising fuel costs made recovery of wasted energy more compelling. In addition, the use of fossil fuels to generate electricity is increasingly seen as a major contributor to climate change and environmental pollution. NRG's large fleet of fossil fuel generating plants is at risk if we cannot demonstrate an ability to more efficiently use the energy we consume. Numerous ideas have been proposed and some demonstrated. While recapturing heat from stacked gases is more difficult and costly, the recovery of heat from the water holds greater promise. Among the possibilities are algae farms for producing biofuels and carbon capture, industrial ecology parks where industries can utilize the low-grade energy, and perhaps most appealing given the northern locations of several of our plants, greenhouses for producing foodstuffs. If NRG can apply these ideas to its existing fossil fuel plants, we can enhance our environmental performance, extend the economic life of our plants, and add to the bottom line. Now, let's see if we can take a bite out of that second apple.